Okay, so let's start cooking. Hello mga kitchen, good morning. So it's a Sunday. This time around, ang gagawin naman natin ay pandan chicken na napaka uso sa Thailand, and I'll make my version of that sa kitchen ko. Yung chicken natin, I'm using thigh part kasi ito yung malaman talaga na konti lang yung buto. Hindi ko siya alam i-debone, pero if kaya nyo, mas better na deboned na siya. Binabad ko lang siya sa soy sauce, sa garlic, ginger, and oyster sauce. So for the complete portion of the ingredients, check na lang sa description box below. And of course, kailangan natin ng pandan leaves. So right now, ang ginagawa ko ay nililinis ko siya. Kinakat ko lang siya dito sa baba and then nililinis kasi normally madumi yung may buhangin siya dito. So make sure you clean that part. Okay? And we start wrapping. Okay, we have one sample of a wrap chicken pandan. I'll make one more para makita nyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. So just get the chicken and you wrap it like so. Para kayo nagregalo. Yan na. Flip, fold, then wrap again. Paikot. Okay? And make sure you have toothpick. Kasi that's what you're gonna use to lock it. Okay? There, that's one. Just continue doing that for the rest of your chicken. So these are the wrap pandan chicken. And nagpapainit lang tayo ngayon ng oil, and we're using canola oil for now. And fry na natin. So we will now start frying the pandan leaves. Okay. Sa medium heat lang. Right? So that's around 3 to 4 minutes per side. And then we flip. Alright, so for the first batch, luto na siya. This is how it looks like. Right, so lagay nyo lang siya sa strainer to remove the excess or the extra oil. And then you just complete frying the other batches. Okay? 5 minutes. And we're done. It's now plated. So this is our version of pandan chicken na napakadali. It looks so complicated really if you see it sa mga hotels and restaurant. It looks like ang hirap-hirap niyang gawin, pero in reality, sobrang daling gawin, di ba? So try it. Just, if you wala kayong pandan, optionally you can use dahon ng saging. Strip it lang. Pero yun nga, iba yung feeling at saka experience kasi yung scent talaga ng mabango ng pandan leaves. Okay? And enjoy mga ka-kitchen and have a great Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!